Yo, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rose, bringing you guys another video. So today I decided to do a scarecrow Halloween look, especially for those that don't have an actual costume. Like for a scarecrow, it's super easy to put together at your house for those that are going to a Halloween party, or maybe just want a cute little photo shoot. Because to be a scarecrow, really all you need is like a flannel, a hat, and some dramatic ass makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm definitely gonna do my eyes very dramatic, and the good thing about this is you don't have to be perfect about it. Like, it's a Halloween look, so you know it can look crazy. So I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be mixing these two colors right here. I already concealed my eyelids and I do have foundation on, so let's go right in. Oh yeah. Y'all, that is hella bright, but that's exactly what we want. And next I'm gonna be using black on my lid, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake under for the fallout. Alright, so now I'm just using black, and first you want to pack it on there and then blend it. Alright, so I got both of my eyes done with the black. Now I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. As you can see, I brought it out into my outer corners. So now we're just gonna blend. See, that looks a lot better. And I'm just gonna go over my lid just a little. And I didn't really have fallout. So now I'm basically gonna do the same thing on the bottom, but like extra dramatic. Like, I'm not even gonna get like a smaller brush. I'm gonna use the same one and be extra with it. Ooh, cause this is already feeling crazy. I look like I got beat up. Yo. This is giving me raccoon vibes. Let's go ahead and blend it a little bit. And now let's just do the black under. And now with the same brush that I used to apply the orange colors, I'm just gonna blend that. And I'm gonna be adding just a little more orange. Alright, are we looking like a scarecrow yet? Alright, so now I just want to put some shimmer on my inner corner. I'm gonna be using this white glittery color. We got that going on. You know, this is actually very fun to do because it's like you're creating art. Like, you don't have to be super specific, like this angle and that angle and super blended. Like, this is fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on right under my brow. And I'm not gonna blend that. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and put some black eyeliner on my waterline. Alright, so we have the eye makeup done. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the biggest lashes I have in 3, 2, 1. They actually look really dramatic, so this is perfect with the whole look. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and put some orange blush on, and I'm gonna try to do some freckles. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see. So I'm gonna use this orange right here. And this is not like your regular blush where you bring it up. No, it's gonna stay there on the center. Okay. I like that. It's actually a really nice orange. So you kind of want to do a little circle I did spread it out a little bit, but yeah. Okay, now with a brown pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and do some freckles. Y'all remember when this was like trending, like people were really doing like fake freckles on themselves? Ooh, this is cute. So now I'm gonna move on and do the little teardrop on my nose. So I'm gonna use a flat brush for that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the same like reddish and orange that I used on my eyelids. And just pack it on there. So I'm doing a circle first. Oh, my nose never looked this cute before. Alright, so now I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit. I'm just gonna do kind of like a straight line up and then kind of connect it. There you go. Alright, so there you go. That's a perfect teardrop. And now I'm just gonna outline it with some black liner. Alright, so we got the nose. And now with some liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna do like some streaks. So it'll look like it's like stitched on there. And again, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. Ooh, that looks pretty. And now that I have the liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and do like some little bottom lashes. Just like that. So now the fun part. Well, honestly, all of this has been fun. But now we're gonna go ahead and do the mouth, but I do want kind of like a corally orangey lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Kat Von D Lolita 2. This is honestly such a pretty color and it stays on all day, so we love that. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the stitched mouth, which I'm a little scared to do, but we got this. So now over these two lines, I'm gonna just go ahead and put some X's over it. Alright, so we got the first X. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest. Alright, on the lips, it was pretty easy to do it with this, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this instead because it's taking too long with the pencil. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little stitch right here on the forehead. I feel like my chin is kind of bald. Should I put some orange on there too? Let's go ahead and put some orange on there too. There you go, that looks better. So now I'm just missing the hat. And look how cute that looks. Do I look scary? And look how nice this actually came out. It's like there's nothing perfect about it, but it came out perfect. And to complete the look, just put on some blue jeans and some brown boots and you good. You have a whole motherfucking Halloween costume. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys try out this look. If you guys do, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram or on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays. Also hit that bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Give your girl a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!